Welcome back to another one. In this one we are looking at Palantir stock because the stock price has been dipping, and I think it's very crucial to cover stocks at this time because you know what, when we see a stock price dip, usually people see this as being a bad thing. That is not always the case. We could be asking ourselves, is it a good time to sell? But I'm sure a lot of other people will also be asking, is this a great time to add this stock to our portfolio? So I'm going to be giving you all that information in tonight's episode, so please do leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000, so if you could do that. Actually, why do I keep saying 1,000? We're trying to get to 10,000 on the road to 100,000. I can't even believe we're at 1,000 yet. So thank you for all the support so far. Let's keep it going. Let's get to 100,000 as soon as possible. On top of that, if you could leave a like and also come and join us on Discord, feel free to do that. Link to our Discord is down in that description box. I would love to see you over there. So let's have a quick look at Palantir stock. So yeah, like I said, this stock has really been taking a run this month. We're up over 100%, so we're up 144%, if not higher, 170% from the early part of the month. So from the 4th of November to the 25th of November, so that's obviously 21 days, not even a month, the stock is up 170%. Right now we are seeing the stock price dip, and I think a lot of people are probably selling off because they have seen the opportunity that they have been given. You know, a lot of people are probably swing trading this one once it's started to go up, or if they're not swing trading, they probably are getting out with a decent profit, because let's face it, if you are 200% up on a stock, it definitely makes sense to get out now. So for that reason, am I concerned about this price so far, and what would I do? Well, looking at the past month, in my opinion, I would still not go in yet. I can personally see it going lower, and even if it is not going to go much lower, I would definitely like to see a more stable day, pointing more towards the upside, maybe not even up, but less towards the downside at least than what we are seeing right now. So would I buy this one right now? I would not buy it, but I would definitely consider it a watch, because I think it was one of those ones back here where it was, if you see what I'm highlighting on screen, it was definitely a speculative play down here where you could have definitely lost money. I think the bubble just burst here, and now it's going to go down a bit, and I think this is not a bad thing. I think the stock is going to find a new level where it's comfortable at, hopefully higher up than where it was back in the early part of November. I definitely see that being the case, but of course it's important to note, you know, now is probably not the time to buy, as we are seeing this small dip take place. Once the dip is over, yes, I would still go in with a company, because it's a case of nothing has really changed, just the stock price got a bit overvalued and overinflated in too much of a short period of time. It led to a little bit of a bubble effect, and of course the stock then sold off. It's just, you know, a standard bit of correction, not really something to be too concerned about in my opinion. So I hope you did enjoy this very short video giving you a quick update on Palantir stock. I just thought I'd tell you all my opinions on whether you should buy this dip. I am looking to buy the dip, but I am not buying it at this price. If it goes a bit lower, I would be more than happy to buy the dip. If we see signs that it goes back up, so it starts to flatten out, I would be happy to buy the dip. But with such a volatile day being today from, you know, the previous day, from between the 1st and the 2nd of December has been the steepest drop off so far, and for that reason I would wait to see a bit more of a confirmation of going up before we do see any buying action from me. So I hope you enjoyed my opinions. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe. Come join us on Discord, love to see you there. Thank you for the video.